we are going to record the process of my new, what is this? Documentation for my motorcycle. And we are here in LTO, Batangas, and the process is quite long, but it's really nice. Okay, first step, we are going to go there. Second there, they say. So I will show you how easy this is. It's around 1.5, something like this, but it's okay. Panghalang hapon. Kailangan ko ito ang renewal po. Opo. Salamat po. As I've told you, always look, it's easy and it's fast, and easy is more kind if you speak Tagalog. So, marunong Tagalog, and then you are going to, receive another kind of behavior. Mas kind. It's okay, English you can also use, but it's okay in Tagalog. Yes, ma'am. Only 650 pesos. They will charge you here in this place. This is the first place you should go. And then we are going to check the emission test. So let's go. Now we should go there, that part over there. So yeah. Wala na. Hanggang ano wala.
We were in the wrong place, so had to go to where Priya said.
Emission. Second step, emission. They are going to test the emission, like that machine. They are going to test the emission here on my motorcycle. I've been with this motorcycle like 3 years, and always it passed, so it's really easy. No worries about that. So yeah. Okay, now the next step is inspection here. So they are going to check, the state of the everything, brakes, lights, and everything in general, So, nyo? Sige. Let's go. So finally, I already got the registration renewal. More or less, it takes 1 hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours to get the renewal, the papers, everything. Remember, they will give you one period, and you don't have to pass it. If not, you are going to pay 100 pesos fee that I paid second year. But it's okay. Right now, we are here. Tapos na. Tara sa amin. Bye-bye, Dika. Bye-bye.